Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safa Zairanifa from the Informatics Study Program, and my student ID number is 152-50503. Allow me to give my response regarding smoking on campus. The first is that smoking on campus can disturb those around you because the smoke spreads so quickly and is very bad for your own breathing and that for of others. And secondly, it makes the image or good name of the campus bad because the place for studying should be a smoke-free area. Then finally, it can disturb students' concentration. According to medical records, smoking is not good for health. That's all my response. So, would be better for students not to smoke on campus, besides being bad for the campus image in the future. Thank you for your attention. I close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safa Zairanifa from the Informatics Study Program, and my ID is 152-50502. Here I will explain about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the tense used to express an action of activity taking place or happening at the present time in a simple form or activity performed repeatedly or daily habit or act that have nothing to do real time. Simple present tense function. The simple present tense function to express general truths, fact, habit, feelings, or circumstance, fixed schedule, and instruction. It is a sentence form used to describe situations that occur routinely or are true all the time. Simple present tense function, general truth or fact. Stating a general truth that states that it is true that something happened in the past, now, and ever in the future. Example: the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Habit or routine. Express a habit that is repeated or continuous. Example: she brushes her teeth twice a day. Example: I drink coffee every morning. Feeling or state. Express feeling, opinions, or conditions that are permanent. Example: I hate you. Example: I know the answer. A definite schedule or event. Stating a schedule that has been scheduled with certainty in the future. Example: the bus arrives at 7:30 o'clock. The meeting starts at 10 a.m. Instruction: to give direction or instruction. Example: close the door, turn left at the corner. Simple present tense sentences. Simple present tense can be divided into two types of sentences, namely nominal sentence and verbal sentence. Nominal sentence. A nominal sentence is a sentence that uses the verb to be, am, is, are. As the main verb, the verb to be functions as a connector between the subject and the complement, which can be an adjective, noun, or adverb. Nominal sentences do not contain an action verb. They simply indicate the state or identity of the subject. Positive form. Formation. Non-verb or non-verb can be a noun, adjective, or an adverb. Positive sentence, subject plus to be plus complement. To be is MR adjusted to the subject of the sentence. Is on the subject he, she, it. Are on the subject you, they. I'm on the subject I. Example, positive form. Example, she is a teacher. You are sad. I am the library. Description. Subject followed by to be and is up and complement, noun, adjective, adverb. Negative form. Information. Negative nominal sentence is formed by adding nots behind to be. Negative sentence form. Subject plus to be plus not plus noun, adjective, or adverb. Example, negative form. Example, you are not sad. I am not in the library. She is not a teacher. Description. To be and is are followed by not to make negative sentences. Interrogative form. Information. This nominal sentence is formed with to be the beginning of the sentence. Interrogative form. To be plus subject plus non-adjective or adverb. Example, interrogative form. Example, are you sad? Are you in the library? Is she a teacher? Description. To be and is are at the beginning of a sentence followed by a subject and complement. Verbal sentence. Verbal sentence in the simple present tense use the main verb 1 to indicate the action or activity carried out by the subject. Unlike nominal sentence that use the verb to be, verbal sentence focus on action verbs that describe daily activity or habit. Positive form. For are you daily subject we use subject plus infinitive verb 1. For she, he, it subject we use subject plus infinitive verb 1 plus C or S. Example, positive form. I write a letter every day. She reads a magazine every morning. They visit their grandmother every Friday. Description, subject plus basic verb for he, she, it is added as or s to the verb. Negative form. Information in the form of negative verbal sentence, the additional as or is to the verb does not exist. For are you daily, we subject we use subject plus do plus not plus infinitive verb 1. For she, he, it subject we use subject plus does plus not plus infinitive verb 1. Example, negative form. Example, they don't visit their grandmother every day. She does not or doesn't read a magazine every morning. I do not or don't write a letter every day. Description. Do not, are you Devi, or does not he see it? Plus best for interrogative form. Information in the form of negative verbal sentences. The additional s or s to the verb does not exist. For Ayu Dewi, subject we use do plus subject plus infinitive verb 1. For she, he, it, subject we use does for plus subject plus infinitive verb 1. Example interrogative form. Do I write a letter every day? Does she write a magazine every morning? Do they visit their grandmother every day? Thank you. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.